Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your iPhone before iOS update. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Before you begin, ensure your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on your name at the top of the screen. Next, select iCloud from the list of options. Once in the iCloud menu, tap on iCloud Backup. Make sure the toggle for iCloud Backup is switched on. Now, tap on Backup Now to start the backup process. Wait for the backup to complete. This may take a few minutes depending on the amount of data. Once finished, you will see the date and time of the last backup. To back up your data using a computer, connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable. If you're using a Mac, open Finder or iTunes on your PC. Select your iPhone from the sidebar or the device list. Locate the option that says Backup Now. Ensure you select this computer if you want to keep a local backup. Click on Backup Now to start the process. Wait for the backup to complete, which may take some time depending on your data size. After the backup is done, safely eject your iPhone from the computer. Now your iPhone is backed up and ready for the iOS update. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.